Some basic concepts of chemistry. Chapter number 1, 11 Science.
Hello students, I am Madhu Sinha, your chemistry teacher. Do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for further notifications. After watching the videos, please mention your name, class and section in the comment box. And in case you have any queries, please mention in the comment box so that I can get in touch with you very soon.
What is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of composition, properties and interaction of matters. It is also called the science of atoms and molecules and their transformations. Let us understand this by the upcoming video.
What is chemistry? Chemistry is the science of matter. This may sound simple, but chemistry is a complex and broad topic that covers a wide variety of fields. From the core of the Earth to the farthest reaches of the universe, chemistry is everything and everywhere. Chemistry, a definition. Chemistry is the study of matter, including its composition, properties, and structure, how it changes, and how it interacts with energy. This is a pretty simple definition that sums up what is actually a complex and fascinating subject. If you have ever asked why or how something is in the natural world, odds are good that your question and the answer were related to chemistry. For instance, why is the sky blue? Colors depend on the chemical makeup of substances and what kind of light they reflect. How does an insect walk across the surface of a pond without falling through? The unique properties of water give it a high surface tension, which means that small objects can rest on it without sinking. Chemistry is all around, and anything related to matter involves chemistry. Main branches of chemistry. Since chemistry is such a broad and vast subject, we can divide it up into more manageable topics to help us more accurately. 1. Organic chemistry. 2. Inorganic chemistry. 3. Analytical chemistry. 4. Physical chemistry. 5. Biochemistry. We will learn more about these topics.
Chemistry is also known as central science. It helps in manufacturing of a number of substances like fertilizers, alkalis, acids, salts, dyes, polymers, detergents, etc., which pay a way to the national economy. Chemistry plays a major role in the synthesis of many life-saving drugs like cisplatin and Taxol for cancer, AZT for AIDS. It also helps to design and synthesize new materials having specific magnetic, electric and optical properties. It leads to the production of superconducting ceramics, conducting polymers, optical fibers and large-scale miniaturization of solid-state devices. In recent years, chemistry has tackled a fair degree of success in the manufacturing of safer alternatives, CFCs, which are hazardous for the environment and is responsible for ozone depletion in the stratosphere, have been successfully synthesized. However, many big environmental problems continue to be a matter of grave concern for the chemist. Understanding biochemical processes, use of enzymes on large scale and synthesis of new exotic materials is being done by chemistry. Matter is that substance which is dealt with in the study of chemistry. Matter are those substances which occupy space and has mass. There are three states of matters: solid, liquid and gas. All are made up of atoms. The term atom is derived from the Greek word atomos, meaning indivisible. Democritus suggested that all matter is made up of indivisible particles. All matter is composed of atoms. It is the smallest particle of the element. It is indivisible in nature. Each atom has its own identity in the chemical reaction. Let us study about the classification of matter. Matter is divided into pure substance and mixture. Mixture is again divided into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is called as solution, and heterogeneous mixture is further divided into colloids and suspension. Pure substance is further divided into compounds and elements. What is pure substance? Pure substance is made up of only one kind of particles and has a fixed or constant structure. They are further divided into elements and compounds. The pure substances has following characteristics. It is homogeneous in nature. It has a uniform composition. These substances have fixed melting and boiling point, and a pure substance participates in a chemical reaction to form a predictable product. Element is a substance made up of single kind of atom. It cannot be further broken down by any chemical or physical means. The first one or two letters of English name of the element is taken as its symbol. In case the first letter is similar, their symbol consists of the first two letters. Symbol of some of the elements are derived from Latin names. The elements are arranged in a tabular form which is known as periodic table. The elements are grouped into metals, non-metals and metalloids on the basis of their properties. Compound. Compound is a chemical substance which contains two or more different types of elements which are chemically bonded in a fixed ratio.
Compound and mixture. Definition. Compound. They are made up of two or more elements combined chemically. Definition. Mixture. They are made up of two or more substances mixed physically. Nature of compound, homogeneous. Nature of mixture, homogeneous or heterogeneous. Examples: compound, water, carbon dioxide, magnesium oxide, sodium chloride. Example: mixture, air, seawater, most rocks. Separation methods. Compound. The constituents of a compound can be separated only by chemical methods. Separation methods. Mixture. The constituents of a mixture can be separated easily by physical methods. Properties of compound. Constituents lose their original property. Properties of mixture. Constituents keep their original property. New substance. Compound. New substance is formed. A new compound can have properties different from its constituents. New substance. Mixture. No new substance is formed. The properties of a mixture are the same as the properties of its constituents. Melting and boiling. Compound. Fixed. Melting and boiling. Mixture. Not fixed.